Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching Camera Shakify and granting camera and microphone access so the app can control motion effects. First, pick your resolution and frame rate. 1080p at 30 fps is a solid default. Next, switch stabilization off if you want pronounced shakes, then load a shake preset to preview intensity. Once done, position your device and test a 3-5 second clip. This fast trial tells you whether preset intensity and FPS work together before deeper adjustments. Now you refine the middle of the process by dialing in intensity, frequency, and directional bias, so motion feels intentional rather than chaotic. Turn the randomized seed to avoid repeating patterns and add subtle motion blur for organic results. Make small changes, then preview a short loop to see how shakiness interacts with subject movement. If the shake overwhelms the scene, reduce frequency or intensity. If it's too subtle, nudge values up. Keep testing until movement reads as natural on camera. Finish by locking your chosen settings and applying them to the full clip, then export using the original frame rate to avoid judder. If certain frames need clarity, use selective keyframe stabilization on faces or text while keeping background shake. When you render, preview the entire file at real speed to confirm timing. If you see jitter artifacts or aliasing, lower intensity or slightly increase motion blur. That single troubleshooting tweak usually removes hard edges without losing the intended shake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.